Want to update the country of your YouTube channel using just your phone? I'll walk you through the full process step by step. No desktop needed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Let's get started. First, leave the YouTube app for a moment and open any web browser on your phone, Safari, Chrome, or anything you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type studio.youtube.com. If the YouTube Studio app opens automatically, you'll need to uninstall or temporarily disable it. We're aiming to access the web version of YouTube Studio, not the app. Once that's done, go back to your browser and open the same link again. You should now see the option to continue to Studio. Press on it. Now, sign in with your Google account if you're not already. Also, make sure you're on the right channel, especially if you manage multiple ones. You can switch channels by tapping your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting the right account from the dropdown. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, zoom in slightly if things look small. Look at the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Press on that. A pop-up menu will appear with several tabs. Now press on the Channel tab, and then select the Basic Info section from the right. Here you'll find an option called Country of Residence. Press the drop-down menu beside it. A full list of countries will appear. Scroll through and pick the one you want to set your channel to. For example, if you're moving from the US to India or want to access features available in a different country, this is where you make that change. Once you've selected your country, press the Save button at the bottom right. To confirm everything worked, open the YouTube app again. Press your profile icon, then go to your channel. Now, press the About section. You should now see your updated country listed under location. And that's it. You've successfully changed your YouTube channel country using just your phone and a web browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.